Hey guys, Tableau Girl is back again. Today I'm going to show you a different kind of bar graph, which is basically like two metrics overlapped on top of each other. It's a pretty cool way of showing metrics like sales versus profits. I'm going to teach you all about that now within the next 5 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So let's say if we want to look at the categories, and we have like these categories, and then we want to see total number of sales that occur for these categories. You can drop them here, and now this as is a good metrics. Like you can see that the sales for technology are higher when compared to like office supplies or furniture. Now how we put in the profit inside these boxes is pretty interesting. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag profit to here. And it's just going to create one more box here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to dual boxes, and I'm say dual box. It's going to automatically change everything to circles. Don't worry about it. Go here and then just say bar graph, and then it's going to change everything to bar graph. Nothing is clear as of now, but hang in there with me, okay? If you see the sales and profit have different scales, right? It is 100K here, it's still 10K. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on here and say synchronize axis. Now everything is good. Now you see this is the sales and this is profit. It is good measure, but I'm still not happy with it. So what I'm going to do is first, let me just change this color to... Okay, let me just put the profit as this and sales as this. Okay. All right. Okay. So it's not still pretty clear here again. So this is all. I'm going to click on sales. Sales looks okay. Click on the profit now. Okay. Click on the size and reduce the size. Pretty cool, huh? Now it's going to tell you what is the profit for each of these. Okay, if you want to put the percentage of profit for each of these, all you need to do is just create a calculated field here. Oops, sorry, hang on one second. You can click here, create a calculated field, and say profit by sales. So it's going to drag in sales. All I need to do is just like sum it so that it doesn't create an issue later. So it's sum of profit by sum of sales. Okay. Okay. Let's say I call it as profit percentage. Okay. Say apply, say okay. Now you have profit percentage here. You can drag this here and then drag it to label. Okay, it's gonna give you the numbers here. All I'm gonna do is change it to the percentage. Okay, all right, and I think I'll be happy if I have this as white instead of black. Okay, so apply and say okay, and also let me just bold it. Okay. See, now this is how we create like overlapped bar graphs, and I really like creating these bar graphs whenever I'm trying to compare different metrics. So do try it and see if you enjoy it. Now because we already have like profit and sales here, we don't need the top axis, so you can just like uncheck this and then it's gonna remove the header. Okay, all right guys, thank you.